Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make garlic naan. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First, in a bowl, add all-purpose flour or maida, salt, baking powder, sugar, oil, and knead a smooth dough using milk as necessary. After the dough is ready, let it sit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put some oil on your hands and knead the dough again. Now make little dough balls and it's time to roll out the naan. Flatten it using your hand and then roll it lengthwise. Shape it a little using your hands. Now we apply some melted butter and put chopped garlic, then press it so it sticks to the naan. Dab a little water on the other side and stick it inside a pressure cooker with the water side facing down. Now let it cook on the side for 2 to 3 minutes and then put the pressure cooker face down like this and let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. After this, try to remove it. If it comes off easily, then remove. If not, then let it cook on its side for another 3 to 4 minutes. You can cook more naan in the space that is left. Once it is done, it will easily come off. Cook it a little on the stove and serve it hot with dal makhni and pickled onion. Recipe for dal makhni is in the description box and at the end of the video. Voila! Garlic naan is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.